So as I said, we're trying to do a route card now. So I've got my map. You can see it there. That should be the one that you've downloaded. Okay. I've, as you can see, drawn the points at which I want you to plot on there. So we're starting up here, there, at that car park picnic area there. Okay. Going down this track. So that's leg 1 to the spring there. Then we're heading this direction down the road to that point there. Yep. And all the way down this footpath to Holborn Bridge and heading in this direction to that point there, Northwood. Then this track here down to this point here and along the road, back up the footpath, all the way up here to this point here. Then we've got quite a complicated bit along the road, up the track there, back to here, and then all the way up the Deer Valley walkway, back to where we started, and that'll be our end point. Okay, hopefully you got that. All right, so there's my map. There's the legs I'm going to plot. I'm not going to plot all of them because I want you to do some, and then I'll show you the rest of what I've got. I've drawn myself a little compass, so as you can see all my cardinal points there and some of the degrees, so that'll help me when it comes to direction and bearings. Okay, yep, so that's easy enough. Blank sheet of paper just to doodle anything on and measure things if I need to, and the actual route card documentation there. Okay, yep, so you can see that. Okay, right, so first thing I'm going to do is plot these points. Okay, so I'll plot the start point for everybody, which is here. Yep. And we can see the eastings along the bottom here. There they are. And we can see the northings going up there. All right. So the point we're just starting at, which is this point here, is 21. And all the way to about here. Let's have a quick look. 21. I'm going to say 6. Yep. 21, 6. 42. 7. Yep. So that's what I'm going to put in my first box. So here we go. $21, 6, 42, 7. Okay, easy peasy. Now I'm going to look at my second point. Okay, might be easier if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they account to the legs. Okay, leg 1, 2, 3, etc. so on. So I'm going to show you how to do the first 2, maybe 3 legs, because I'm nice. All right, I want you to do the rest. So I've got my first point. I need to know where I'm going to. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my map. All right, so we know this is where I'm at. Yeah, we know that's 21, 6, 42, 7. And we're going down this footpath here to the spring there. Okay, so I need to know where that point is there. Yep, so again, 21, 4, 21, 4, 42, 4. Okay, 21, 4, 42, 4. So I'm going to do that here. Okay, 21, 4, 4, 42, 4. All right, and that can also go in that box. Okay, 21, 4, 42, 4. All right, because I'm going from that point to that point, and then I'm starting from that point to my next point. Okay, so I'll do the next point as well. Okay, so we've got point 1, point 2, point 3. Okay, so point 3 is 21, 2, 21, 2, 42, 5. So again, 21, 2, 42, 5, and that can go up there as well. 21, 2, 42, 5. Hopefully you can see how this is developing. Okay, next point will be point 4, point 5, etc, etc, until I get to my last leg. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to skip the description for now, all right, because I'm going to go on to my bearings, all right, and that's where this comes in. All right, so we've got, I'm heading from here to here. So if I look at my compass, which I'll bring it into shot, yeah, there we go. So going from there to there, all right, so roughly we're going in this kind of direction, south southwest. So it's between those 2 points, all right, so between 180 and 225, roughly about 200 degrees. Yeah, 200 degrees, somewhere there, 205. All right, so I'm going to say that. All right, hope that makes sense. So I'm definitely between those 2 points. I'm going from here to here. All right, you can see that straight line there. Okay, you can see if I put that north, which it is, that's down here somewhere. So I'm going to say 205. Yeah, so there it is, 205 degrees, and it is south southwest. All right, no difference in magnetic bearing, so we don't need to worry about that. Distance. Now, how am I going to calculate distance? Well, there's lots of ways you can do that. Okay, if you look at the bottom of the map here, you've got a scale. Yeah, obviously 1 square is a kilometre. Okay, so this line here, the top line here, is 1 kilometre. This line here, the bottom, is a mile. Okay, it'd be easier probably if you measure in kilometres. Okay, so the best way to do that is using your piece of paper probably. Okay, so I'm just going to go from here. There we go. That's better. So you can see, I'm going from there. There's my first corner there. Okay. You'll see what I'm doing when I go back to my piece of paper. Right there. There's my second corner there. Yep. And then from that second corner to the last point, which is there, then I can measure this distance from the corner to here. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. On there, from there to there, from the last point to my first point, you're looking at roughly halfway down that kilometre, so that's 500 metres. Okay, 500 metres. That's what I'm putting on here. 500 metres. Yep. Now, time. we roughly walk 4 kilometers per hour. Yep. So that's 1 kilometer every 15 minutes. You've got the help sheet to help you with this as well. Okay. So if I take my measurement, 500 meters, so that's 0.5 kilometers. Yeah. We'll times that by 4. Yeah. 4 kilometers an hour. Times that by 4. Yeah. Which equals a number. Yep. And whatever the number that gives us, we're going to divide by 60. It might be times by 60. I'll figure that out in a second. I'll come back to it. Okay. All right. Give us a second.